Well, there's a story of the game. Back in the opening quarter, it was Reda Ralimi's quarter. He was absolutely Reda to rumble, scoring 11 points, grabbing 8 rebounds, and a splendid opening quarter performance. This was led by 8 at the end of the first quarter. In the second quarter, Skyros Bank and company bouncing back, and Red Bull out-rebounding Pure Foods 18-10. In the third quarter, si Reda Ralimi again coming to the fore, really stopping Parada and scoring down low. That's why Pure Foods led 67-61. And then in the fourth quarter, ito, bigay todo na hanggang dulo ang dalawang koponan. And that's why we still have a close ball game here. Buwelta kaya uli ang mga Barako with a possible third consecutive win. Matapos kaya hinagpis ng mga Higante. Should they win tonight, they're trying to snap a 2-game losing skid. Reda Ralimi showing why he was brought in to replace a scoring machine like Darius Rice. Adam Parada napapalaban sa larong ito.
Tama ka, and I'm not even surprised with the move to have Reda Ralimi be maintained as their import. Talagang starting to stabilize this team at yung kanyang presence sa loob. Yun yung nakatatakutan.
Oh, Salina Cruz with a steal. Here's Parada. Cruz fires. No go. And there's a foul underneath. This is a 3-point game.
And all of a sudden, ang laki ng agaw na yun, si Lino Cruz. Pupunta na naman si Adam Parada sa free throw line. Although the last time he was there, he only made 1 out of the pair.
2 shots for Adam Parada.
So ang free throw shooting nitong si Adam Parada tonight is 6 out of 10. Although he has 18 rebounds and 18 points, he makes the first.
Well, in the conference, Parada is shooting 61% from the line. And thanks to Parada, we have a 1-point game. Parada with 20 points.
Walang foul na kailangan ibigay dito ang Red Bull. They have enough time even if Pure Foods made a basket.
27 seconds to go in the ball game. 12 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. It's Kirby against Rayback one-on-one. Raimundo fires, no go. Rebound para kay Rayback. Wala nang timeout ang Red Bull. 15 seconds to go. And there's a loose ball. It's with Doncil. Doncil blocked by Ralimi. But there's a foul. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, there is a foul.
That would be charged against Reda Ralimi.
Dropping foul on number 55. Reda.
What a call.
But what guts there by Jojo Doncil. No guts, no glory drive. And Ralimi will foul out of the game.
Not really the best decision for Jojo Doncil to do just that. Muntik pang mag-backfire sa kanila. Ilang beses ang muntik mawala yan. That was all ball. There was, kung may contact man yun, maaga pa. But ito yung tinawagan dyan eh.
I could also argue na tinamaan din sa braso itong si Doncil.
But that would be a call they'll be talking about all night long. Whatever the result of this game will be.
So 8.9 seconds to go. Yang Giao hoping to score a 3rd consecutive win. And right now he has Jojo Doncil, who is having a great conference.
Jojo Doncil has 9 points. The first time he will go to the free throw line. And he makes the first comfortably.
Ayun, napasuntok pang 2 beses sa air si Coach Yang Giao. Jojo Doncil with nerves of steel. This could give Red Bull the lead. Maybe not steely enough. And we're tied at 91 with 7.9 seconds to go as Pure Foods asks for their last timeout of the game. No timeouts remaining for both teams. And when we return, we'll have the moment of truth.